Sleep. Introduction. Almost all animals need to sleep to stay healthy. But sleeping can be dangerous. Other animals may hunch sleeping animals. Animals have many different ways of sleeping that help them stay safe. Some of these ways may surprise you. Sleeping upside down. Almost all bats sleep upside down. They hang by their toes from a branch or from the ceiling of cave or hive. Bats are safe from most other animals. If they are danger, they can fly away. Sleeping and the most and the least. Little brown bats win the prize for sleeping the most. They sleep as much as 19 hours a day. These bats are only awake for a few hours after the sun goes down. Though they may get up again for a little while before the sun rises. The rest of the time is for sleep. Sleep, sleep, sleep. Giraffe wins the prize for sleeping the least. They lay down when they sleep. They rest their legs on their bodies on the ground. Every few hours, they sleep for about 10 minutes. Giraffes are not safe if they sleep for long periods. Sleeping with half the brain. A dolphin sleeps with a third half of its brain at a time. It must stay awake to breathe and to watch for danger. Dolphin mothers and babies can go without sleep for as long as 2 months to stay safe. Some ducks sleep with just half their brains too. These ducks often sleep in a line. The ducks are bored and help keep the group safe. They keep one eye to watch for danger. The ducks in the middle sleep deeply with both eyes closed. Sleeping in the water. Seals breathe air, but that doesn't stop some of them from sleeping underwater. They hold their breath and dive deep to sleep for up to 20 minutes at a time. Sleeping deep underwater helps these seals stay safe from that hunt than near the surface. Some fish make their own sleeping baths. They make a spit bubble and sleep inside it. The bubble keeps them in a one all night. It also keeps other animals. If an animal bumps the bubble, the fish swim away. Sleeping standing up. Horses often sleep standing up. Their legs lock in place so they don't fall over. If a horse is lying down, it needs a long time to get up. A horse can run from danger more quickly if it's ready standing. A flamingo can sleep while standing on one leg. The standing leg locks so it stays straight. The other leg stuck up close to the flamingo body. Its head rests on its back. A flamingo lives and sleeps near many other birds to stay safe, sleeping while flying. Some seabirds can sleep while they fly. These large birds spend most of their life over the ocean. They are in danger on the water, but they are safe in air. They glide for many hours without clapping their wings. Sometimes they clap while they glide. Conclusion. The animals on this page are sleeping too. Would you like to sleep how they sleep?